Hey, I am excited. Sun is shining, it's springtime, we've got daylight saving, longer evenings, and that means barbecue time. I can't wait to fire up the barbecue. Tonight I'm going to do some burgers. I'm sure they're going to be great. Come along for the ride. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be cooking some very, very easy peasy cheeseburgers on the Weber Q. And when I say easy, I mean easy. So I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that I'm using tonight. For a start, the burgers. No, I'm not getting the ground beef. I'm not going to roll them into a ball. Taking the shortcut tonight. We've got 4 Angus beef, quarter-pound beef burgers. These are from Woolworths. We've got cheese, of course, to put on. These are Dairy Works cheddar natural slices. They look great, just like you get at Macca's. Got some lettuce to put on it, tomatoes, and these Woolworths Bakery soft and glazed milk buns. These are delicious, we've had them before. All we're going to do is season the beef burgers with salt, pepper, and I've also got this garlic steak spice blend, just a little bit. Going to rub a little bit of olive oil on them. They'll go on the Weber Q. And for the buns, some burger mayo. This again is just from Woolies. So it's a really, really simple recipe. I can't wait to get stuck into it. Okay, so here's everything ready to go. We've got the cheese. We've got the beef patties, which have been seasoned. The lettuce, tomato, the bread rolls, the famous Tasmanian Duck River soft butter, Tassie's favourite, and of course the burger mayo. Let's go fire up the Weber. Okay, so here we go. We're ready to fire up the Weber Q. Get the gas on. Okay. Now we're just going to put this on a medium heat. Which is about 4 medium-high heat on the Weber Q. Going to shut the lid down. Going to leave that for about 10-15 minutes. We're going to come back and put the burgers on. Okay, we've got the burgers. They're ready to go. The Weber's up to around 250 degrees Celsius almost, so I reckon it's pretty hot. Let's get these on. So the idea is, whack these on here. Give them about 4 minutes. I'm going to turn them over. I'm going to pop some cheese on the top there to melt them. Put the buns on the grill for about a minute as well. Mwah, should be great. All right, let's take a look and see how these are going. Ooh, looking good. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to place our cheese over here for about a minute. And the buns, I'm going to put these on here also for about a minute. Pop the lid back down. Awesome. We'll check it out very shortly. Ready to go. Got our burgers. Look at that beautiful melted cheese. Check out these buns. They're just a minute on the grill. That's all it takes. So I'm just going to whack a bit of butter on there. Beautiful Tassie's favourite Duck River. If you can get your hands on some of this, you won't regret it. Okay, so now just a matter of assembling the burger. So I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce, a couple of pieces of lettuce on each one. Then I'm going to put the burger on. Got a little bit of tomato, put them there. And then the last thing is just the burger mayo. I'll put a little bit on the actual burger and a little bit on here as well. So, done these a little different actually. I've got the tomato on that side. Doesn't matter. We'll see which tastes better. There we go. We're going to go and do a taste test. Leslie's going to taste them. She can be the judge. I've prepared a beautiful, easy peasy cheeseburger on the Weber Q for you. Let me know your honest thoughts. You had to say that, didn't you? No, really? Honestly? It's that good? Well, there you go.
Delicious.
Leslie's
it's
a harsh
absolutely
critic.
delicious.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
She's a harsh food critic, I've got to tell you. So if you're looking to make a really, really easy burger, if you've got a Weber Q, try this recipe out. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.